The first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the harness to the GPS, the Garmin 430. This is the harness. On one side you'll see two connectors, one male connector and one female connector. And this connects to the back of the GPS, and there are three places where you can connect something here. You're going to use only two, and you cannot go wrong. The big one goes in the middle one, and the smaller one goes on the very top connector. And that's all you're going to connect to the Garmin. The next step is to connect power and ground to the power supply. Red goes with red, black with black, and then you just connect the power supply to any outlet. First thing we're going to do is turn on the power supply, and then turn the Garmin 430 with this top knob right here, little one. You're going to turn it to the right. And you'll see the units starting out. It'll show you the welcome page. Then you'll see an OK sign flashing there. When you see this, you're gonna press enter once, this button right here, and then you'll see a second page with another OK sign there flashing, and you're gonna enter again, press enter again. Then you'll get to this page. The next step is to press this button right here. FPL stands for flight plan, because we're going to enter a flight plan. You'll see the first waypoint is where we are. We have it in demo mode right now, and it's showing that we are in Tucson, Arizona. That's the code for the airport here in Tucson. Next step, you're going to enter another destination. It's called a waypoint. To do so, you're going to push this knob right here. You're going to press it once, and the next field will be highlighted. To enter the code, you're going to turn there are two knobs right here. A small one and a little bigger one. You're going to turn the small one to the right once, and you'll have the option to enter the next waypoint. The destination starts with a K. We're gonna set it up to go to San Francisco. The code for that is KSFO. To go to the next letter, you turn the big knob once to your right, and you'll see that the next field is highlighted. To enter the letter, you're gonna turn the small knob to the right until you find the letter that you want. In this case, it's going to be S. To go to the next letter, turn the big knob once, and then select the letter that you want. In this case, F. And do the same thing to go to the next letter, and the next one is going to be O. KSFO. When you get to this point, just press enter once. Then you're going to enter the speed of the airplane. To do this, you're going to press menu twice. Very quickly, you're going to go 1, 2. You'll get to the demo setup page. We want to change the GS field, which stands for ground speed. To do so, you're going to turn the big knob once, twice to get to this field. To change the speed, you're going to turn the little knob once, and then we want to set it up to go at 100 knots, 600 knots. The first number is going to be 0. To go to the next one, you're going to turn the big knob once, see it's going to the next digit, and then turn the little knob 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times to get to 600 knots. Then you're just gonna hit enter. To get out of this page, you're gonna hit clear twice, or hold the clear button. Then to see the map, you're gonna turn the small knob once. Then you have your airplane flying. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna connect the 454 unit to the Garmin, to this harness right here. This harness has 2 connectors here, 2 DB9 connectors. We're going to be using only one, the one that's wrapped in black tape. The other one is for testing purposes, and we're not going to be using this one this time. So just hook it up. On the back, you'll see the DB9 connector. Connects like this. And that should be all on this part. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the iPad. We're gonna go to settings, so we can set up the Bluetooth settings. Then go to Bluetooth. Well, in this case it's on. We'll turn it off, and then I'm gonna turn it on. Then I'm gonna connect. The device you'll find will be Guardian Avionics Services GPS. You're gonna connect to that one. You know what? You're gonna wait until it says connected. There's connected there. And the next step is we're gonna go to Google Maps. Just click once, and we're gonna find the location. Well, there it is.
And the airplane's flying. Okay.
And that's what the unit does.
And then also there's another Guardian Avionics app, which is available on our website, which if you want to download it, you can download it. We'll send you the link to it. And that just shows you the airplane flying on our app as just a demo mode, but a Google map will work just as fine. Thank you very much.